How can a tiny shot in your arm train your body to fight deadly viruses? How does your immune system remember something it's never really seen before? And what's all the hype around mRNA vaccines? Is it genetic engineering? And is it safe? Spoiler: it's not what most people think. In this video, we're breaking down how vaccines actually work and what mRNA really is in a way that's simple, visual, and maybe even life-changing. Let's decode the science together. A vaccine is like a wanted poster for your immune system. It shows your body what a dangerous virus looks like, without actually infecting you. Your immune system sees the poster, says, "Hey, that thing looks dangerous. Let's build some weapons." It creates antibodies and trains T cells, the defenders of your body. So if the real virus shows up later, your body's ready to attack fast. And the best part, you might never even feel sick, because your body already has an army on standby. There are several types of vaccines, but they all share the same goal: to safely teach your body to fight a pathogen. Here are the main types. Inactivated vaccines. These contain dead versions of the virus, like polio vaccine. Live-attenuated vaccines. These use a weakened version, like MMR. Protein-subunit vaccines. These give your body just a tiny piece, like a spike protein. And mRNA vaccines, a totally new method that blew up during COVID-19. Wait, what even is mRNA? Let's get into it. mRNA stands for messenger ribonucleic acid. Sounds intense, but it's basically a temporary instruction manual. Here's how it works. Every cell in your body is like a tiny factory. Your DNA is the blueprint, safely locked away in the cell's nucleus. But when your body needs to build something, like a protein, it sends a messenger, mRNA. The mRNA carries the recipe out to the cell's machinery, which reads it and builds whatever protein is needed. So what does an mRNA vaccine do? It gives your cells the recipe to build a harmless version of a virus protein, usually a spike protein. No virus and no infection, just a tiny piece of code that teaches your immune system what to look out for. After a few hours or days, the mRNA breaks down and disappears. Your body never keeps the code. Once your cells make that spike protein, your immune system freaks out, in a good way. It says, "That thing doesn't belong here." It attacks the protein and creates memory cells like little hard drives that store virus data. Next time the real virus shows up, your immune system launches a full-scale defense before the virus even gets a foothold. That's why vaccines often cause mild side effects like fever or fatigue. It means your immune system is learning. You're not sick. You're getting stronger. Let's clear up some common mRNA vaccine myths. Myth 1. It changes your DNA. Fact: mRNA never enters the nucleus. It can't edit your DNA and it degrades naturally in hours. Myth 2. It's a new and tested technology. Fact: mRNA research started in the 1990s. The COVID-19 vaccines were the first to be approved but not the first to be studied. Myth 3. It contains the virus. Fact: mRNA vaccines don't use the virus at all, just instructions to build a harmless protein. This is cutting-edge immunology and not science fiction. So, how do vaccines work? They're not magic. They're science at its best, teaching your body to fight smarter, faster, and safer, without ever getting sick. And mRNA, it's just a delivery system, a text message from modern medicine. If this helped you understand even a little more, give it a like. Share your questions in the comments and subscribe for more science made simple. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy.